Hello friends, thank you so much for tuning in. Today you are watching me with a twist. And before we go any further, like, share, and subscribe. I'm going to be doing mini twist in my hair. And I will be using 3 products from the Miracle Moisture line from African Pride. So the first thing I will be doing is putting a leave-in in my hair. And the one I will be using is this one. I love their products because they really moisturize your hair and they're affordable. These products are no more than $6 at Sally's. I don't think I bought anything from them not from Sally's. So yeah, this one was $5.99. So compared to some of these lines, it's affordable and it works. And I will also be using their Moisture Miracle 5 Essential Oil. And all of the products smell, I'm gonna see if you guys can see. Okay, here we go. Okay, the light is too bright, but okay. All their products smell really good too. And this is their gel. So it's a gel and cream, 3-in-1 curl training system, defines curls, molds and holds shape, hydrates and adds shine. So I will, as you can see, this is the lock method. I'm using a leave-in, which is for the L. I'm using an oil, which is for the O. And I am using, I can't even say a cream, but this is a gel and cream. So this should do the job. In my last video, I showed you guys how to make your own DIY shampoo, which was a aloe shampoo that I created because I don't like using a lot of products on my hair week after week. So that actually helps me get through the weeks without trying a bunch of different things. So check that video out. It will be listed below, and it's the last video. I actually have this same thing on. I just rinsed that shampoo out. So give that video a look. So now getting into the mini twist. I am using the Moisture Miracle, of course, but it is super thick and creamy. So I'm just gonna put this on my first section. And I'm just gonna rake it in. Might have been too much, but whatever. You can see how it already defines your curls a lot. I love this stuff. All right. And when doing my hair like this, I like to put on the first 2 steps, and then individually I put the last moisturizer, cream, gel on. So this is how much oil I'm using. I don't know if you can see, but probably a half a teaspoon.
Bro, what are you talking about, man? Bro, I'm out, man.
And that might have been too much, so I'm gonna take half of that off. And just a regular 2-strand. All right, so yes, just a regular 2-strand twist. The simplest hairstyle we should be able to do. So with this, I pretty much try to detangle as much as possible, but as I felt the tangle or anything like that, I did use my Denman brush to smooth it out, or a comb to smooth it out. It's really based off of you, but the less tension you use, the better your hair will be. So anyway, I'm just gonna go in and speed you guys up a little bit. This is just taking two sections of a very small section and twisting it down. So this should be a little bit self-explanatory. If you guys need really detailed information, let me know, but I think you guys got it. All right, so I have finished one section in the back. And I don't know if you can see how moisturized this has left my hair, but all right, so in the front right here, I just have the leave-in conditioner in my hair so far in this section. And as you can see, it is bringing more definition to my hair, and it's also bringing the moisture in my hair. And as you can see, I need more because it's almost gone. Anyway, in the front section, I wanted the bang section of my hair to be, I don't know, more defined, if that makes sense. So I did them a little smaller than I did in the back, just to shape my face a little bit more. But this is pretty much just picking up from where I left off in the back. So still a 2-strand twist. And yeah, pretty simple so far. And I also mainly use my hands to part. And if your hair is detangled, you shouldn't have any problem with this. So another tip is you could detangle your hair and put the leave-in conditioner all over, just to save yourself some time, so you really don't have to use combs or anything like that on your hair while you're doing the styling process, just to cut out some time. Guys, this side of my hair is pretty much, well, not pretty much dry, I can't say that, but it dried. You can see this white residue that is on this side. Well, it's not on this side, so it dried already, like that white part.
Bro, what are you talking about, man? Bro, I'm out, man.
But yeah, this is actually like my new look after my bangs. I've been doing my hair like this consistently for the past few weeks. And I just was like, I want to show you guys how I achieved this look. This Miracle Moisture, this line from African Pride, I definitely recommend picking up. One is cheap compared to other hair care products. They'll probably run you no more than $6 per. I know some of these, I think the oil might be $6 too, but for the most part, they're about $5 because I have like the shampoo, conditioner, and stuff like that. But anyway, get this line, go to Sally Beauty or check to see what retailers African Pride sells at. And I might pop in again on some styling tips for this, but if I don't, thank you once again for watching. I hope that you try out these products and you try out this style. Once again, thank you so much for watching. I hope that you guys will like this video, and you should like this video because it wasn't quick. So